Hey guys, Justin Vandermark here again. So this is the last installment of my playlist for what is a story plot arc. And this last video is going to be about what is the resolution. Okay, so the resolution is the last goodbyes of the film or the story. It's the final shots or final scenes of the hero or the characters. This is when, in a film or in the book, it's where they leave you off with a cliffhanger for the next film or next book. So let's do this one more time. We're going to be using Iron Man as the example. The resolution in Iron Man is when Tony Stark is giving his speech to the press at the press conference, right? And then he pauses, drops those index cards, and then tells them what everybody knew: I am Iron Man. And like I previously stated, it leaves the viewers wanting more. It has a cliffhanger of, oh my gosh, what's happening next with Tony Stark? They want to see what happens to the world around him. And that's the way the film ends in Iron Man. And that's also a way to end it in a story. So, for your last and final homework assignment, I want you to write your resolution. Write a couple of them. See what works with it. Are you going to leave with a cliffhanger, or is it going to be like a happily ever after? Let me know down below in the comments so I can see the progress of your story. And I'm just so glad you guys are here. I'm so glad you guys watched these videos and got through what is a story plot arc. Now, if you'd like me to go over everything that you just did, all those homework assignments, if you want me to help you turn this idea into a full story, just give me an email at jkcreativewriter@gmail.com and I'll be happily to go over it. I will be starting a class and I will be taking on 4 people per class for about 2-hour sessions. So if you are interested, just give me a quick email and I'll get right back to you as soon as I possibly can. Thank you again for watching this video. Stay tuned for next Wednesday for my next video, which is going to be a surprise, but it'll also help you to make a successful story. Thanks for watching, guys.